Hi, I'm Steve, this is Suffolk Potteries. We've been making the terracotta since 1980 and we use clay from Stoke-on-Trent, and we started making the terracotta in Suffolk, hence we're called Suffolk Potteries even though we're now in Norfolk. And the clay comes in bags like this, and we put the clay through a machine called a pug mill, which blends the clay and extrudes it in a continuous section. Normally I would do a big stack of extrusions, but as I'm just doing this as a demonstration, I'll just do one. And we have different size frames to give you a different size pieces of clay. So you just pull it through and your pieces are ready to use. Now this is the same size clay I'd used for making those wine coolers that I was stamping. Right, so the first thing is to centre the clay, which means getting it right into the middle so it's not moving about. And once it's in the centre you can tell because it's not moving around at all. If it's off centre it looks like that. The next thing is to push down into the centre to make the depth for the base, and if you need to you can check the thickness using a pin. You just need enough water so the clay doesn't stick to your hands. Don't need gallons of it sploshing around. So I'm applying pressure on the outside and the inside at the same time. So I'm effectively squeezing between those two fingers. First one you make of any batch you have to measure to make sure you get the right size. Then the excess clay is smoothed off. And when I think it looks smooth enough, I think that's it. I always put a line on the side of these. And remove any excess water from the inside. It has to be cut with a wire. And then I'll set the gauge so I know what size to make the rest of them. So when the pots have dried out overnight, they're ready for stamping then. So what I'm doing is pressing on the inside onto each letter. This is the stamp of a sunflower. Again, you have to put the non-stick. So that's the wine cooler when it's finished and fired for the second time. And the thing that's noticeable is the massive amount of shrinkage. It's around about 15% from the thrown to the finished size. So you have to allow for that in all calculations about the size you're going to start off with.